Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Sublime Player. Dear friends, if you have heard about ChatGPT but are not exactly sure how it could be of practical use, we have got you covered with 7 ways you can use ChatGPT. Dear friends, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence chatbot that can answer just about any question you throw at it. You can think of it as a Google search but on steroids. It doesn't just throw a bunch of information sources at you as Google would, still, it present information in a conversational and structured form akin to what a human would do when providing answers to questions. Moreover, it can answer questions as just about any field, science, mathematics, religion, sports, politics, you name it. Here are the 7 things you can do with ChatGPT. The first one, quickly write a customized resume and cover letter. Dear friends, if you are currently job hunting, one of the most tiring parts of the job application process is writing a personalized resume and cover letter for every job you apply for. Unfortunately, you can't simply write one copy for every job. ChatGTP is one of the quickest way to make a resume online. It can help relieve you of the burden of customizing each resume for each job posting in just a few seconds. We asked ChatGTP to write a resume for a tech writer job application, and here is part of the result. We also prompted it to prepare a cover letter for a job application for a web developer role at a fashion design firm. And here is the result. Dear friends, the second thing you can do using ChatGTP is explain complex topics. Sometimes simply googling a topic doesn't give you a clear understanding. Think of a topics like wormholes, dark matter, and all those head spinning theories from your master's degree program, or maybe it is a weird sport you don't understand or whose rules make no sense. ChatGTP could be useful in explaining them in a layman's term. We prompted ChatGTP to explain wormholes like I'm 5, and here is the result. A wormhole is like a tunnel that connects two different places in a space. Imagine you have a piece of paper and you fold it in half. If you were to draw a dot on one side of the paper and another dot on the other side of the paper, you could use the tunnel formed by the fold in the paper to travel from one dot to the other. A wormhole is like that, but in space, it is a shortcut that can help you travel from one part of the universe to another part of the universe much faster than if you had to travel through regular space. Dear friends, here is the third thing you can do using ChatGPT. Solve tricky maths problems step by step. Whether you are looking to tackle complex algebra problems or simple maths problems that are too tricky to piece together, ChatGPT is particularly strong in handling maths. You will need to present your problems clearly and concisely for the best result. We prompted ChatGPT to answer a simple but tricky maths problem, and here is the result. Dear friends, here is the next thing, write essay on almost any topic. While we strongly advise you to write your essay yourself, ChatGPT can compose amazing essay on a wide range of topics, even the most complex. We prompted ChatGPT to write an essay on Donald Trump, and here is the result. Dear friends, here is the fifth thing you can do using ChatGPT. Get relationship advice. ChatGPT, just like any AI system, can't exactly understand emotions, However, it can still provide useful tips for managing relationship with friends, family and loved ones. It can be your personal therapist or relationship expert if you give it the right prompts. We asked ChatGPT for help with dealing with a nosy partner, and here is what it had to say. Here is the next thing you can do using your chat GPT. Create content in multiple languages. If you are a content creator that would love to reach a wider audience, chat GTP could be incredibly useful for creating content in multiple languages. Sure, there is Google Translate, but writing in one language and translating to the other means a lot of context and language specific tones could be lost. ChatGPT can create content directly in several languages: Chinese, Czech, Spanish, French. We prompted ChatGPT to write a poem in English and Chinese, and here is the result. In your eyes I find pure bliss, your touch a tender lingering kiss, our souls entwined, forever bound, love's symphony a melodious sound. Dear friend, the next thing which is very amazing you can do using ChatGPT as creating script for any video on any topic. For example, if you are creating a video for YouTube channel, so just give a topic to it and write give me script for this video, so the chat gtp will give you a complete script detailed. Dear friends, if you are as excited as we are about the endless possibilities of ChatGPT, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos on cutting edge technologies. And remember, the future is now. It is ChatGPT power.